Hello and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. I've actually taken 2 weeks off. I know I've been abroad and some great opportunities have actually presented themselves in the market, and I have also missed out on some great opportunities last week or so. So let's get right into it. So here we've got GBP USD. Let's take it back quickly to the monthly and see what we can see. Here we can see that the market is actually showing some bearish momentum or rejecting bullish bias. And then as we go down onto the weekly, we can see this further. Let me just delete everything. So here on the weekly, we see the MAs are actually down. Some great bearish momentum. Yeah, so overall, you can see if I place a trend line, that it's respected that. And as you go down onto the daily time frame, MAs are still down, showing bearish movements. And with that being said, if I apply the Fibonacci, we can see where it will go further. So it's created this new lower low, new low high, and I can see this coming down to the 1.2800 area, potentially 1.2600 area as well. So that is, if we can just calculate that, if we, from where it is roughly right now, it's another 259 pips to the downside, and for D2 another 478 pips. I've actually caught this trade quite early, which I'm grateful for. I've actually caught it up here. I do have a position here. I've put that risk free just because if it comes up to make a new lower high, I can actually re-enter a lot higher. With that being said, the way I saw this happening was actually on the daily time frame. After this new lower low, I knew that I would come up to make a new lower high, and that's how I used market structure to place this. If I actually go on the 4 hour and place like a lower fib, which I prefer a lot more, this actually hit around the 61.8%, not so close to 78.6, but most importantly, it went to this retracement level, which is golden area, and yeah, just excitingly to wait to see where it goes from there. Let me just show you what I've currently got. So that is my risk reward, and yeah, if I just drag it a bit further down, the greater the risk, the greater the reward. With that being said, let me just take you through US dollar, because this is how I knew that GBP USD was gonna go down, because it last week it quite consolidated over here. So I would imagine that some people would taking shorts here at this level here, 50%, thinking okay, this is a strong resistance area. So like if I just use that there, and then this sudden movement to the upside happened, and then it started consolidating here, people must have thought, okay, it's gonna come make a new higher high in comparison to this. This is why I like trading, because if you use correlation, you can distinguish where the trend is going. And also, if you look at US dollar, it actually did quite a similar thing. It consolidated in this area. Originally, I thought, okay, maybe it's not going to go up further, higher. And this is when it broke this trend line that I've got here on the lower time frame. But if we look at the daily, it's quite bullish. It's making new higher highs, higher lows. MAs are up, strong bullish momentum, and you can see that there was a strong support area right here. And because I knew it didn't break this area, I knew that it could potentially go up higher. So with a bit of patience, with a bit of anticipation, and seeing how it creates these little higher lows to make this new higher high that is created. And that's how I spotted GBP's downfall. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed that. Please leave a like, subscribe, share it to somebody who's interested. Check out socials. Sometimes I do post some things on there. I know I need to get better at that, but we only improve from here.